Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video will be my March Ipsy glambagplus. If you guys want to know what I got this month, just keep on watching. And also I do have my GlossyBox and Boxycharm posted already for this month, so if you guys want to check them out, I will leave the links below. So yes, without further ado, let's unbox my Ipsy glambagplus for the month of March. So that's what it is. I think this is my third box from Ipsy. The last few times, the first one I really enjoyed it. The second box I wasn't really sure. I don't even remember how I felt about it. I don't know. Anyways, but yeah, I'm excited to get this one, so let's just dive right in. So my box looks like this month. Pretty full actually, so I'm excited. The theme this month is called Celebrate You, or hashtag Discover Yourself. And oh, okay, good. They do have the prices of each of the products inside, so that's pretty good because I think last month they didn't include that for some reason. I have no clue why. But yeah, they do have the prices here, so let's just go ahead and start. So the first item in here is from this is from the Balm Cosmetics. This is the Autobalm Girl Powder. It says Girl Powder, right? Yeah, Girl Powder. So I think this is like a blush palette. Yes, it is a blush palette, and this retails for $26.50. It's actually pretty weighted. Ooh, these are really pretty. I love the shades. That's you. I really like the whole concept of it. It's really cute. I don't think I own any the Balm Cosmetics items, but this one's pretty cute for sure. These are the shades right here. Definitely will use these because I'm a blush junkie. And yep. Okay. 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 I don't know if you can see that. These are the shades right here. You can barely see the last one. That is the shimmery shade one. That one, as you guys can see, it is kind of powdery, but that's fine. These two are pretty good. So the only thing that didn't really show up is this one right here, which is the shimmery one. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. So it might just be a subtle highlight, which I don't really mind, but pretty excited to have this one. So again, this is from the Balm Cosmetics for $26.50. Alright, moving on is the... Ooh, I have no clue how to say this. This is the malin+goetz. Guys, I'm sorry. Revitalizing eye gel. And packaging looks like this. This retails for $42. That's pretty expensive. So this is just an eye gel. Skincare can never go wrong, so I love receiving skincare. I've never heard of this brand before though. I don't know. So that's what the bottle looks like. Let me open it. See what the consistency is. Okay, so it is just a white. Yeah, it looks like that. The consistency is it's not too thin, it's not too thick. It feels like a moisturizer sort of, but then it's kind of like has that sort of oily feel to it. I can't really understand, but then it dries pretty quickly. It's already dry. Anyway, so it's interesting. I haven't heard of this before, and I'm excited to try this out. It might take a little bit for me to try this out because I still have eye cream that I'm using currently, so I will just have to keep this for now. But yeah, again, this is the malin+goetz for $42. I hope I'm saying that right though. Next one in here is from Yensa. This is the Super 8 lip oil in pink. Ooh, I like this. So this retails for $24. I'm all about this. I've had lip oils before. The one I really like the most is from Ulta that I got from my advent calendar. I really like that one, and I'm excited to have this one in my collection. You guys, if you don't have any lip oils, I do recommend you getting one because it really does help with the lips, making your lips feel really soft and plump. I just hope this isn't too sticky. So yes, this is in the shade Pink Shine. So very bright, looking at my camera right there. So let me see if it has a smell. Ooh, it does have a smell. It's very sweet. It reminds me of something, but I don't know what. It smells like candy, but I don't know what candy. It smells sweet though, but not overly powering, if you know what I mean. But yeah, again, that was $24. So the next item is a brush. This is from Complex Culture, the Precision Concealer Brush. This retails for $26. I love these kind of brushes. I love this brand actually. My very first box from Ipsy, I had a brush from them that was a contour brush, I think, and it was the exact same but like a different shape, obviously. But this one's triangle, looks like that. Very dense, very nice. You know that it's high-end quality. I really like the handle too because it's like matte gray, and then this one's kind of like a it's not silver, it's like sort of like a rose gold, like a light rose gold. And then this feels really nice though. I'm excited to use this one. I don't know, this would be perfect. That's really cool that I got this one. I hope I keep getting this type of brush because I really enjoy this one. Then the next one in here is this one. This is the Coffee Scrub Coconut Body Scrub. This retails for $21.99. So I think I've seen this at Ulta before, but I'm not sure. I have like a gazillion of like coffee scrubs, so I don't really use them. I don't know how to use them actually. I can't really tell you guys what I think about this, but this is just a scrub. So the last one in here is this one. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner in black. This is my third eyeliner. Every single box I have received an eyeliner, so I mean I don't mind it because I do use eyeliners every single day, as you guys can see. This retails for $18, you guys. But let me just see what it looks like. Oh, okay. So it is sealed like so. I'm not really gonna tear it. You know, it's just a black eyeliner, your typical black eyeliner. Again, this retails for $18. Then the last item is the bag, which I think is really cute. So open, it looks like this. The color looks like a sort of, I can't really tell, it's like muted pink. It's a muted pink, you can't really tell from my lighting, but it's a muted pink. And then in the front it's your teal, and then inside it's neon green with your logo Ipsy, and then when you close it, it's just unstoppable. I wish that wasn't there. And then when you close it, it looks like this. Looks like this. It's a cute pouch. Yep. And there's also Ipsy right there. Anyways, that concludes my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of March. Let me calculate the whole thing, see how much my box value is at. So my box value is at $158.49, which is really cool because I mean I love everything that I got this month. Except the scrub, of course, but I think this is just extra item, I think, because normally we get 5 full-size products, right? So, I mean, I love everything that I got. Again, I paid $25 for my box and it values at $158.49, which is really great. I'm excited to use the lip oil. Eyeliner. I really love the blush palette. I think this is my favorite out of everything because I am a blush junkie and these shades are just beautiful, except that one that's very powdery, but I mean, you can always just blend it out. This one doesn't really show too much. It's just a very subtle highlight. See, you can't really see it, but anyways, that is everything, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite item. Did you like this month's box? Personally, I really like it. I think my $25 was worth it. So if you guys haven't checked out my other videos, my March Boxyluxe and my March GlossyBox, if you haven't seen them, I will link the videos below so you guys can check them out, see what I got this month from those boxes. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.